Hi friends, welcome to tutorial days, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Magento 2.xx through cPanel. So my hosting is in Bluehost, so I will show you that how you can install uh, Magento 2 in Bluehost. So just I'm going to open Bluehost cPanel. My hosting is in this. Okay, so I'm logging into my Bluehost cPanel. Now let's click on this advanced. Then you find this software. So this panel is available on any of the hosting. It's not only in Bluehost. So maybe you might be using GoDaddy or some other hosting company. So this cPanel is same for all. Okay, so now I will click on this option. Now let's find here e-commerce in the left side. Here select this option, e-commerce, and then scroll down. You will see this Magento. Okay, now let's click on install. Now you will be redirected to here. So I'm going to install this in subdirectory. So I'll name it as mg2, and this is the current version. If I select this version, then uh, it says that I cannot use subdirectory. Okay, so there is not much difference between these two versions, so that's why I'm selecting this one. Okay, so in this one it allows me to create the project in subdirectory. Right, so now everything's fine. So the admin, and then admin 123. But I recommend you, if you're using this for real time, don't use so simple password. Use here always complex password. Since this is demo purpose, that is why I'm selecting this here admin 123, so that I can remember. Rest of the things is fine. And here I'd like to provide here this my email ID. So put your correct email ID, so that in case you forget the password, then you can recover password through this Gmail ID. Okay, and also information will be sent to this email ID. That's why I put here. And here in the left side, let me keep it simple. Admin, the path, and also I would like to install sample data, so I will tick this, and that's it. Now let's click on install. Now the installation process is going on. As you can see, it's a really very simple. Yes, so finally it is successfully installed. If you want to check, then just right click on this and open this front end, and this one is back end. Yes, so this is the default theme Luma, and you can see the sample data is also installed successfully. I know that we also install on localhost, but installing Magento on localhost is very difficult, not impossible, and ultimately we have to work on live servers. That is why I prefer to work on uh, cPanel directly. I prefer to install through cPanel. Also in the next few video, then I will also show you how to install in localhost, but for the time being uh, I'm going to continue with this. And now let's go to admin. So our username was admin, and this is password. So let me sign in the admin section. Okay, so I'm logged in inside admin section as well. So it asked me if I want to gather information through Adobe, because this Magento is powered by Adobe. Okay, now it's taken over by Adobe. So I'd like to click don't shadow or whatever you prefer. You can click on this. Okay, and finally, so now we are inside the dashboard. You can see here clicking, there are different options. So in the next video one by one we will be seeing all these options. But for the time being, you can see that Magento is successfully installed through cPanel. There is no any additional configuration for this. So the next video we will continue in this admin section. So stay connected, and that's it in this video, guys. If you have not subscribed my channel, then I request you to please subscribe. Also, press bell button so that whenever I upload new video, it will reach to you first. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.